Hello guys, let's talk about top 3 car dash camera. Number 3. OVO Peak Curve Dash Camera. This camera is 10.26-inch Android 12 systems. Android Auto solves icon lifting issues, sound quality improvement, new BT audio transfer functions. The CarPlay system has 3840 x 20160 4K pixel, 10.26-inch display, GPS navigation, Wi-Fi and app voice control. It has also dual channel recording, 10.26-inch ultra-wide-angle full view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth image display is like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Supports simulates 1.1 display of front and rear cameras. Number 2. ADAS 4K dash camera. This car cam is very qualityful. You can find here 10.26 to 0.5D IPS display. Screen resolution is 1600 into 600. 4-core 128 meter memory card. 5 seconds power on. Full split UI screen switch. Driving habit selection left or right. GPS track. Night vision. 24 hours parking monitor. Siri compatible. Red cam app control. The AirPlay Miracast wireless monitoring can support voice assistant in CarPlay Android Auto mode, support Siri Google voice control, free your hands and enjoy a better driving experience. The GPS tracking and app control accurately logs your vehicles and location, speed, latitude, longitude and route, and can be viewed by RedCam app or GPS player in computer. Number 1. ADAS 4K car DVR camera. In a short, you can find here CarPlay and Android Auto, 10.26-inch 2.D IPS touch screen, wireless mirroring, Miracast and AirPlay, driving habit selection left or right, 5 seconds power on, GPS navigation, voice control, RedCam app control. The 4K Ultra HD resolution up to 8 million pixels to archive true 3840 x 2160 pixel 4K Ultra HD resolution, which can help you capture license plate, road sign and other critical details on the road, while rear 1080 pixel camera ensure comprehensive review coverage. The GPS tracking elevates your driving experience with our CarPlay screen featuring advanced GPS positioning and ADAS. With precise GPS technology, track your vehicle's location and route accurately for reliable navigation. You can find more information. Please go to description and click the link below. Thank you.